First, log into your Schoology account. Now, select 9B from the courses. On the left side, scroll down a little. Click on the Conference button. Then, click on the Create New Conference here. Type in a name for this conference. Also select Date. Finally, click Create. To start the conference, click on Start Conference button. Allow the microphone use. Default microphone is already selected. Click Join Audio to start. Unmute the microphone. Turn the video on or off from here. Click here to share the screen. Go to the Entire Screen tab, and then select the window and click Share. Now, you can minimize this window and start teaching. After joining the session, the students can see the screen and hear your lecture. Thank you.